Hello world, today is my very last day in Malaysia and this is like a special day for me. I decided to gonna come to the KL Tower and I'm now on the top of the KL Tower on the sky deck. Here we go, let's get started with the entrance. You have a red carpet to get to the KL Tower, guys. So cool. You are entering a safe tourist destination. When you enter the KL Tower, there is of course ticket counter. There is the self machines to buy the tickets, and outside you have like a kind of park, I could say, or something. And meanwhile, in the background you can see also Merdeka 118, the second tallest building in the world, still under construction, but it's gonna be finished in this year. Here you have ticket prices with the options, and the cheapest one is this one, observation deck. However, I'm gonna go to the sky deck plus skybox, 110 ringgits for the expert and international people, guys. Is it nice there? Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. All right. Thank you so much. Thank you. Left side. Okay, thank you. This is the entrance, guys. This is the lift situation. They have a nice roof in the lobby of the lift, by the way. I have like this ticket, 110 ringgits, guys. And here we go. This is the view from the sky deck from the KL Tower. Over here is the Petronas Twin Towers. And from the other side, you have a Merdeka 118, the second tallest building in the world, guys. This tower actually is number 7 tallest towers in the world, and the second in Asia and the first in Southeast Asia, actually, guys. So very interesting. This is my 5th time in Malaysia, actually, and I never ever been here. Even the taxi driver who dropped me here, he also never been here, and he is originally from Kuala Lumpur city, Malaysia, guys. So here we go, guys. I hope so you're gonna enjoy today's video. Last video, but such a special place, guys. This tower have a 421 meters, the KL Tower, obviously, and it's very windy here. I don't know which floor is this in the construction of the building. However, it's very, very high over here, guys. From the very interesting facts, I used to stay over there. This is my condominium, Tan Razak Tower. This one is the Banyan Tree Hotel where I was on the sky bar. So this one was 59th floor. This tower is definitely higher. And Petronas over there, the Twin Towers, guys. And one of the oldest and tallest buildings in Malaysia is this one, Maybank Tower. It's already very old and it's not as tall, however still impressive. There are 2 glass bottom decks over here I'm gonna show you, but I wanna try to show you the view of 360 because this tower have a panoramic view, so you can walk 360, and that's what I'm gonna show you now.
I can see the sun staring at you when you make that smile. I'm moving closer to you now. I can't get close enough somehow. And I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day. And I just wanted to say that you can take me high. Feels like I can fly. I don't need anybody, I don't need anybody else. No one will ever take me, no one will ever take me away from you. I promise I will hold on to you. I don't know what I'd do without you. Without you.
This is the sky deck, sky box number 2. You have 1 minute 40 seconds, and there is the glass bottom. That's what I'm waiting now for you guys. All right, and this is the sky box or sky deck. Check this out, the glass floor over here. So if you fall down over there, no, I also know, I'm not joking, like this one. Very cool, like I said, nice view. There are 2, so I'm gonna show you the another one. And well, basically you're making pictures for Instagram here if you are coming, overlooking this one. I stand here, maybe better. So looks like this one. You can let me know in the comment section if you dare to come here and do it like that. So you have to walk here barefoot, of course. Looks like this one is very tall indeed, right? Just walking. You have 1.5 minutes for that, so I'm just trying to show you a little bit around. And well, the panorama of the outside the glass, how tall is it? If you have height fears, Maybe it's not recommended for you guys. However, the views are amazing and just magnificent, that's for sure. Also over here you can see the Masjid Jamek over there. You can see actually full entire Kuala Lumpur city and the neighborhood from the top of it. That's for sure. Alright, I was there where these people coming dancing. This guy's vibing, that's for sure, guys. Anyway, that's how it looks like. I'm gonna show you an over 90-degree of the view from the tower. And this is the sunset view actually right now. Definitely the breeze over here is very nice. Not so many people actually, what I'm very surprised. I think the sunset time is the best one here actually. And there is like a restaurant or something, observation deck. So from here you can watch the sunset if you're gonna come on the right time, and the other panorama of the city. And if you can see here over there actually some rocks, I'm pretty sure that's the area of Batu Caves. However, I may be wrong, but I think so anyways. And the night arrived, and check this out, the view of the KLCC, Petronas Twin Towers by night, and the city. Looks pretty impressive, that's for sure, guys. You can see this one, this is Pavilion, Tan Razak, and the city by night. And this is the view of the panorama of the Kuala Lumpur city from the skybox. Check this out, it's actually very, very tall. And if you're gonna put the camera very down there, it's like this one. Looks really, really cool, very impressive, right?
Show me what it's like to be circling among the clouds. Because without you by my side, I would be stuck here on the ground. You're lighting up the way, I can see the road ahead of me. I won't be stumbling in the dark. Your eyes are shining like the stars. I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day. And I just wanted to say that you can take me high. Feels like I can fly. You can take me high.
Alright guys, this is it. That was my last day in Malaysia. Tomorrow I'm just after breakfast I'm leaving. So I would like to say thank you so much Malaysia for having me. I hope so you guys enjoyed my videos. That was very long series from Malaysia, full entire month, 30 videos. If you haven't seen all of them, maybe would you like to consider to watch them again. That was my 5th time in Malaysia, as I said, but I hope so I will come back here for sure. I still have a lot of places to visit, and as I said on my first video, Malaysia always have some special place in my heart. Terima kasih Malaysia, sampai jumpa. Thank you so much everyone, and I hope so I will see you, many of you, tomorrow. See ya, take care.
Feels like I can fly. You can take me high.